We'll send Stella the prompts for the call summary. And then Stella, what I'll do is if you want to stay on, I'll walk you through the steps. So Kate, you have Zoom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so Kate, you're gonna give her access to Zoom. That'll be one of the first ones. Because what she'll do is she will create the invite links every time moving forward so that she can access the recordings and summarize the transcripts. So that'll be one of the first access pieces we give her. Stella, do you have your own Zoom account?
Yes, I do.
Do you have the recording feature or no?
I think if I go to the Zoom website, I'm able to get the recordings there.
Yeah, but you have to actually like hit record. It doesn't automatically do it.
Yeah, I don't have that one. I usually be used as Fathom and AI Fathom. Are you familiar with Fathom? I know Fathom, yes.
Okay, my only concern is being able to custom prompt it. Like it does well with summaries for sure, but there's going to be a lot of things on here we can. So that's like what I'm going to go over with you, Stella and Kate, just so you know what we're doing. There's going to be very specific prompts where it's like find all of the names of all the suppliers Kate brought up on this call. Otter AI or a Fathom broad summary might not catch that. It might just summarize talking points. And like one of the prompts I use ChatGPT for is like pull every specific task out, because what can happen is it might summarize and go, Kate has a very busy week next week. From Wednesday to Sunday, she's busy. Whereas like, no, we need it to find like at this time she's getting on a flight. At this time she lands in Cleveland. Once she lands in Cleveland, she has this many hours of haircuts. And that's why like those are good to summarize, but we want to be able to just record the Zoom. And then two, you'll have all of them saved for future reference. Well, I hosted this one, so it might be tough. But yeah, if you want, Stella, after we jump off, you could try to send me one and see if it works that way.
All right, sure.
Perfect. All right, Kate, we're going to get organizing. Is there any other big things in the next week that you think you're missing?
My cleaning lady comes on Friday. That's every other week.
Okay.
I have a flight Sunday from Bahamas, Fort Lauderdale. I have a flight the first from Fort Lauderdale to Cleveland. We already talked about that. That's just in the next week.
So that will all be summarized.
Okay, I'm going to try to figure out this last pass thing and kind of go from there.
Perfect. And if you don't, she'll be on the call Monday. That's the
Okay,
whole.
so 10 o'clock on Monday?
Yeah. And just moving forward, Stella, everything is EST. That is going to be the schedule we're always on. Cool beans. All right, Kate, I'm going to end this call real quick. And then Stella, I'm going to jump back on a new one so we can process the last call.
Yeah, send me please an invite. Okay, right, that's just for you guys.
Yep. Kate.
Yeah, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice meeting you. Okay.
Awesome. Have fun. Good luck on the flight.
Thank you. Bye.